You have it in the right place, you just gotta fix it so it fits. Match the blue lines up. I think you got it. I think you got it. What's that a shape of?
Soccer pool.
Uh-huh.
A bowler. A bowler.
What's that? Let's look at the outline of it. Just look at the outline of it.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. What's it mean?
Disneyland.
Yeah. We're going to Disney World.
What?
Yeah. That's what we're doing. You, Sean, and I are going to Disney World Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving?
That's what we're doing.
Well, it's all fun.